Step 1 of getting a tax statement off of our website is getting to our website. Type countycollector.com into the address bar. Once you've reached our website, you may notice that the address bar now says greenecountymo.gov/collector. Don't worry, you're in the right place. This website has lots of super helpful information, but right now we're going to focus on finding and printing real estate and personal property tax statements. From here, you're going to want to click on the green button that says Statements and Receipts. On this page, you can search for personal property or real estate accounts. You can search by name by typing in the last name, comma space the first name. If you're looking for a business, you'll just type the business name. You can also search by address. This is just going to be the street number, cardinal direction, and street name. You don't have to type in the city, state, or the zip code. The most accurate way to search, though, is going to be by account number, also known as the tax ID. You can find this number on a statement or receipt from a previous year, or by calling our office. In order to search, you'll click on the gray button or press Enter to search. From the results page, click on the green bar showing your account information. On our test account here, you can see the tax history for the past 4 years. This screen shows the account number, name, and address. You can also review the paid status for each year and see what the current balance due is. If you want to see the statement for a specific year, click on the gray button that says Statement next to the year. So this is a PDF of your tax statement. If you scroll down, you can see the back page, which has a helpful FAQ and other useful contact information. To actually print your tax statement, and this may vary on your computer, but generally you will look for the printer icon, which is often in the top corner of the page. Once you click on that, the print dialog box will open. Click on the print button and you should be good to go.